Pure 312X comes in 5 technology levels. This is the 1 and 2X in Essential, the 3X at Standard, 5X in Advanced, and 7X in Premium. As you go higher up the range to the 7X, you go up in price, and the reason for this is you get added software capabilities of that hearing aid that give the wearer greater capabilities for things like distinguishing voices in noise, the directionality of the microphones and picking up people's voices in a noisy environment. It deals with things like wind noise, for instance, or reverberation or echo. Additional areas here that are really key to, as you go higher up in the levels, is you start to get some of Signia's key software components, such as own voice processing. Now, own voice processing reduces the wearer's voice, so it's less distracting as they're talking, giving them added capability to still have a bit of situational awareness in a room that might have multiple people talking around you. Finally, one of the key areas of this particular device, which is motion sensing technology, and Signia was the first to bring this technology out in the market some time ago. Motion sensing technology, picture yourself walking down a street with one of your friends and they decide to jump from one side of you to the other and they're still talking. The hearing aid will directionalize its microphones towards that voice source automatically so that you still get a continuity in being able to hear that person and what they're saying in full sentences. So it's a great hearing aid option for people that have active lifestyles and are looking for an option that's going to salute a number of different types of environments that they frequent. For this reason, active lifestyles and people that are still working or have great social demands tend to go for the higher levels alongside those that have got higher levels of hearing loss. The reason for this is those with higher levels of hearing loss are looking for that added clarity and particular help in those noisy situations more than those with lesser hearing losses or mild to moderate hearing losses. Finally, if you're at the lower end of the spectrum and you're looking for a cheaper device within the Pure 312X range, then you also get the added capabilities of having not only a cheaper hearing aid, but a device that will situationally aware you, give you added capabilities to pick up voices in noise. It may not perform the same level as, say, the higher levels, but if you're not someone that's very active, then you may not have these demands on the hearing technology itself. 2 final areas, that's CROS and Telecall. CROS is a hearing device that sits on the dead ear of somebody or someone with a profound hearing loss on one side. It transmits the audio from one side of the head to the other side of the head, giving the wearer added situational awareness. Now, when it transmits that hearing to the other side or that audio to the other side onto the good ear, that is really benefiting the person who only has one good ear. Telecall connectivity is also an option in the Pure 312X range, and this is the connectivity of public service announcement systems in places like churches and museums, where it will automatically transmit whatever is being played through that PA system directly into the hearing aids wirelessly. A great solution for places like movie theatres or universities where attention to every single word is required and gives you absolute capability to hear in those environments. Eardeals is fiercely independent of hearing aid manufacturers. Our job is simple: provide a free hearing aid brokering service that supports both private funded hearing aid wearers as well as those who can access the Australian Government's Hearing Services Program for free and subsidised hearing aids for pensioners and DVA card holders. Our mission is simple: link the best quality service providers in the industry with the best possible products on the market so that you get the best possible clinical outcome for your hearing aid fitting at the lowest price. Join many of the thousands of Eardeals clients in Australia already and call 1300 010 064 and hear the Eardeals difference. At the end of the day, you've got nothing to lose with our 60-day money-back guarantee.